Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is going to be a summary set using banana. So this first finger I am coming in at the cuticle with banana and frosted rose, and then I'll just apply the 2 beads and just swirl them around, and I'll continue this all the way down the finger. I'm now going to be putting some little yellow flowers and just dotting them across that marble. I'm trying to do it in like a swoosh across, so it's like a straight across, and just adding some little petals at the minute, and then I add some angel wings across this marble just to give it that bit extra sparkle, just there. So I move on to the middle finger, and I'm going to be doing an ombre. So I'm using that banana at the tip, and then I apply some more petals. The ring finger is going to be a full finger of that frosted rose. I'm going to be doing some 3D work on this finger later on, and it turned out much better than my last attempt at a 3D flower, so yeah, I'm looking forward to showing you that. So I just want to ask everybody quickly how everybody is, and what do you all think of this lifting of restrictions as regards to nail techs. We can't go back to work yet, which is a bit disappointing. So in the UK we still can't do nails, only on our hand trainer. So, you know, let me know, guys, what you think of that, and let me know if you're in a part of the world that has gone back to work, and let me know how it all works for you guys. And you know, it's a bit disappointing, isn't it, that we can't do any nails, but we need to kick this virus out, so we just need to get on with it and carry on as normal. I'd like to say hello to all my new subs as well. I've actually reached 80, and I can't believe I'm on 80. I know that's not a lot for some channels. I know some channels are in the thousands, but for me, I don't advertise my channel. The only place I put my YouTube videos is on my Facebook page for my clients, because I intended this to be a progress channel, so I don't push it on other social medias too much. I have every now and again posted something on there, but not very often. I've always kept it as like a progress channel between me and my Facebook clients. So I can't believe I'm up to 80. I just can't believe it. I'm just, you know, I'm like, how the hell did that happen? But I do appreciate every single one of you. I absolutely love this channel. I love seeing my progress. I was looking back at some of my old videos the other day when I first started out, and you know, it's like I can see myself learning new techniques. I can see things improving. I can see other things that are not improving. So yeah, I'm going to carry on with this channel as long as I possibly can. So I hope there's something here for all of you. Hope you enjoy watching. Oh, I hope you didn't hear that in the background. That was my dog barking and my partner shouting at him. But yeah, I hope you've all the people that are on this channel, I hope that you enjoy this channel and stick with me, because it is an interesting ride, especially at the minute with this COVID going on, something to look back on and remember. So anyway, I've encapsulated those first 2 nails that I did. While I was doing this, we did have a power cut. Now, in England today, I live in Shropshire. I live in a little village, but it's not even a village. It's called a little town, but it's more of like on the village side of the scale rather than a town. And it is absolutely red hot here today. Absolutely red hot and gorgeous. And I can't believe we've had a power cut. So the only thing I can think of, maybe there's a few storms on the way somewhere, but who knows. Hope this weather lasts for a bit longer because it is absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, I went off on one then, didn't I? So I'll get back to the nails. This pinky finger, I'm just doing another ombre. So I'm just putting that banana again at the tip. And then I'll come to do the thumb. When I'm doing long nails on this hand, I have to take the thumb out when I do the pointer finger. And when I do the thumb, I have to take the pointer finger out. So I did that off camera and put the thumbnail in, and now I'm coming in with that frosted rose and just covering the nail bed. I did remove that first bit because I still had some of that yellow pigment in my brush, so I swooped that off straight away and with a couple more beads, and then just one more to build up the colour at the back of the cuticle. This is going to be a glass tip nail, so I want to keep that tip as clear as I possibly can. And then I use the angel wings to do a swoosh across the nail. And just go up the one side of the cuticle, down the other side, like the standard S shape. And then I just add some more of these little petals. And this little cluster here on the tip. It wouldn't stick down, so I just applied a bit of crystal glass and then picked it up, placed it back on. And just here, I think it is the power cut kicks in. So I did carry on and finished all the design work, just using the light on my camera. And luckily, it's quite light anyway. So it didn't, there you go, there goes my light. So luckily, with my phone light, it gave a little bit of light, but it wasn't brilliant. But I managed to finish the rest of the design on camera. I didn't want to stop. I was sort of in the swing of things. So I just carried on with the design, just using my camera light. But I don't think the picture's too bad without the lights on. So, yep. This little finger, I am now finishing the ombre with that frosted rose, and this frosted rose is absolutely beautiful for ombres, absolutely perfect for ombres. You can't go wrong with it. Seriously, you cannot go wrong ombreing using this colour, whatever you use, because it just ombres effortlessly. Yeah, and then I come in with some of that angel wings, just doing like your swoosh, and then I just add some of these larger petals to the tip. And then I encapsulate off camera because the power cut was still on. I did top coat them all, but I didn't switch my phone on. The lights are back on now, the power's back on. So I top coated and, I foiled and buffed and then top coated. And now I'm going to be doing some 3D work on this nail. Now, my phone died on me at this point as well, as if anything else could go wrong at this point. So I missed the first little bit of this 3D flower, but I did realise and plugged in my charger. So what I did to start off with is that centre bead I used, what did I use? I'll show you at the end, I can't remember. And for the petals I used banana, and this is not like an in particular flower. I can't say it's like what sort of flower it is. I just sort of decided to put that centre bead in. I've seen it doing on some flowers, but I wanted to put more petals. I wanted this to be like a full finger of 3D work. The first 3 petals, as you can see, they went on absolutely brilliantly. When I come to do this one, it just set up really quickly, so I couldn't press up to it. It sort of just went on the nail and that was it, set. So I fluffed up a little bit on that one. So I kept a bit more liquid in my brush doing all the other petals, and they didn't turn out too bad. It's still not perfect. It's 3D, still something I need to work on. It is something I need to practice on, but I did like the way this turned out. It turned out a lot better than the 3D attempt I tried to do in a previous video that was, I think it was last week. I think it was last week when I did it. This one did turn out a lot better, so I'm quite happy with that. And I think I'll be doing a few more of these flowers on 3D, but yeah, so I'll just let you watch this. So this is a set complete, so I'm really pleased with the way these turned out. I really do love, I mean, I absolutely love bananas, especially this time of year when the weather's like this. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you're all safe and well. I hope you all are doing okay, whatever you are doing during shutdown, lockdown, and hope you'll be down the pub on the 4th. The pubs are opening, I know I will be. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. So for now, bye bye.